Making grilled kebabs is such a great time to spend with family and friends. And to make it more special, make some homemade pita bread. I'm going to use the stand mixer with a dough hook attachment. Add the flour. Add straight the yeast. This is instant yeast, so you don't have to proof it and it can be added straight to the ingredients. Add the oil and salt. Turn on the mixer to low speed and add the water gradually. Allow these liquids to blend into the dry ingredients for at least a minute. Increase the speed to medium. When the dough starts kneading, it will take about 5 to 7 minutes until it starts to form a ball. Let's check the dough. Okay, looks perfect to me. It's already smooth. So I'm just gonna take it out from the bowl. Flour your working surface and just try to knead the dough just for a few seconds. My dough is so perfect. Turn it over and tap all the sides in to form a ball. And we're going to transfer it to a mixer bowl again. And before I transfer the dough into the mixer bowl, I'm gonna put some oil so that the dough won't stick to the bowl. Base your dough. Put some oil on the top. Cover it with cling wrap. Keep it in a warm place and let it rise until it has doubled in size. It will take about 1 to 2 hours depending how warm your place is. We will be making 2 kinds of kebab because some people prefer chicken, some people prefer beef. Let's start making the beef. Add the garlic, onions, salt, turmeric powder, cumin, and freshly ground black pepper. I'm going to mash it with my hands to get a better mix of the flavors. Next is chicken kebab. Same procedure. Add the garlic, onions, salt, turmeric powder, cumin, and freshly ground black pepper. I have a tray here with parchment paper. Let's start shaping our kebabs. Next is the chicken kebab. I have the last piece of kebab. I'm just going to wash my hands. Cover it with cling wrap. And keep this in the fridge until ready to grill. Our dough is ready, and as you can see, it has doubled in size. Flour your working surface. Remove the dough from the mixer bowl. Knock down the dough to deflate the air. Add more flour so that the dough won't stick to the working surface. Cut the dough into portions. Don't forget to flour your knife. Form each piece into a ball. So you tuck all the sides in to form a ball. Cover it with damp cloth and let it rest for 10 minutes. Let's start rolling our pita bread. Knock it down. Flour your working surface. Flour your rolling pin as well. Doesn't have to be perfect circle. Place it on top of parchment paper. So you put parchment paper in between of your pita bread. Cover it with damp cloth and set it aside until ready to cook. Let's start grilling the kebabs and the tomatoes, and we're going to use the griddle. Turn on the heat to medium. Add some oil. I'm going to start grilling the tomatoes first because they cook longer. Put 8 pieces of tomatoes. And on this side, we're going to grill our kebabs. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Turn the other side of the kebabs. Turn the other side of the tomatoes. the beef kebabs are already cooked, transfer it to a plate. Okay. Now add the chicken kebabs. And I'm gonna add the rest of the tomatoes on this side. The tomatoes needs more cooking. Turn the other side of the chicken. And continue to cook the tomatoes until they are soft. My tomatoes are ready. Turn off the heat and transfer to a plate. Our kebabs and tomatoes are done. Now it's time to cook our pita bread. I'm going to use a cast iron skillet and I'm going to turn on the heat to medium. Add some oil, just a little bit of oil. So make sure before you add your pita bread into the pan, make sure the pan is really hot. You see the pan is starting to smoke, then you can tell the pan is ready. So when you cook your pita bread, make sure you watch it closely because pita bread cooks easily for about 30 seconds on each side. Okay, my pita bread is starting to puff up. So when your pita bread is puffing up, it means you're doing a great job. Turn it over. Transfer the pita bread to a plate. I'm just gonna add more oil because my pan is getting dry. Let's make some yogurt garlic sauce before we arrange everything. I have yogurt here. I'm going to add some garlic. Pinch of salt. And I'm gonna add some turmeric powder just to give it a spice. Just a little. And mix everything together. It's ready. Let's arrange the grilled kebabs and grilled tomatoes on a bed of lettuce leaves. Let me share with you how I enjoy preparing these kebabs. I have a bowl here. Put some tomatoes. Remove the skin. Okay, crush your tomatoes. Alright. add some yogurt garlic sauce. And if you want it spicy, you can add hot sauce as well. Now just mix your yogurt garlic sauce and the crushed tomatoes. Get a pita bread, and I'm going to have chicken kebab. Just gonna put it on top of my chicken. Okay. And I'm just gonna wrap it. Wow, this is so delicious. It has great flavors, fresh pita bread. This is real food, my comfort food, and it just gives me so much joy every time I prepare this dish.